All right, let's dive into the world of cryptocurrency. It's a huge kind of confusing space, right? Well, today we're going to cut through all that noise and help you really understand what separates Bitcoin from the thousands, and I mean thousands, of other digital currencies out there.
You've seen the names, I'm sure. They flash across the news, they're all over social media. But are they all just different flavors of the same thing? Or is there something much, much deeper going on? Let's break it all down.
Okay, to really get a handle on this, I want you to use a simple analogy with me. Just picture this. There was a single pioneer, the very first one to venture out and discover a vast, new, uncharted land. And then, once that pioneer proved it was possible, you had waves and waves of settlers who came after, each one with their own unique ideas for how to build on that new frontier. This idea, pioneer versus settlers, that's going to be our guide.
So, naturally, we have to start with the pioneer, the one that kicked this whole thing off. Bitcoin.
So back in 2009, when Bitcoin first showed up, its whole mission was it was revolutionary. It laid out a way for us to send money directly from one person to another, anywhere on Earth, without needing a bank or a government to approve it. That's what decentralization is all about. There's no one in charge. And it was the absolute first of its kind.
But maybe Bitcoin's most important job was simply proving that this whole idea, a secure digital asset that is truly scarce, could even exist in the first place. See, there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoin, period, and its network has been running for over a decade, making it incredibly secure. Because of that, a lot of people started to see it as digital gold, a reliable way to store your wealth over a long, long time, kind of like people use physical gold.
So if you boil it all down, this is Bitcoin's role in our story. It was the first, the proof that this crazy idea of decentralized money could actually work. It's built to be scarce and secure above all else, which makes it a really powerful store of value. And maybe most importantly, its core technology, the blockchain, became the blueprint, the foundation that basically everyone else built on top of.
But, once a pioneer strikes gold, it's never long before others arrive hoping to find their own fortunes. And that brings us to the next chapter. The settlers, or, as we call them in the crypto world, altcoins.
The word altcoin is actually super simple. It just means alternative coin, as in any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. But listen, these settlers weren't just showing up to make copies. Oh no. They looked at the new frontier Bitcoin had discovered and saw just endless possibilities. They thought, wow, this is amazing, but we can do more. We can build totally new things here. So, for example, some settlers looked at Bitcoin and said, okay, this path is strong and secure, but it's a little slow for everyday stuff. So what did they do? They built super fast payment highways. Coins like Litecoin were designed from the ground up to be quicker and handle more traffic, making them way better for small, daily things. Like grabbing a cup of coffee.
Then you got the really ambitious settlers. These folks weren't just thinking about building roads. They wanted to build entire, sprawling, programmable cities. And this is the perfect way to think about platforms like Ethereum. They created this digital landscape where developers could build almost anything you can imagine. Financial systems, social networks, digital art marketplaces, you name it. All running on the blockchain like little digital cities with their own economies and their own rules.
And of course, let's be real. Every new frontier has its quirky side, right? This is where meme coins like Dogecoin come into the picture. You can think of them as the town mascots of this new digital world. Their value often comes less from some big technological breakthrough and more from pure community energy, viral trends, and just, online culture. So we've met the pioneer, we've met the different types of settlers. Now, let's put them side by side. I think this will make the differences crystal clear.
This table really nails the different philosophies here. Take a look at purpose. Bitcoin has really settled into its role as digital gold, a simple, secure store of value. Altcoins? Well, their purposes are all over the map. Faster payments, platforms for apps, voting systems, you name it. And that flows right into technology. Bitcoin is incredibly conservative. It prioritizes security over everything. Altcoins, on the other hand, are often all about experimentation. They're willing to trade some of that long-term security for more speed or brand new features. And the analogy just says it all, right? Bitcoin is the first prospector who struck gold. The altcoins are the wild, diverse, and fast-growing town that springs up all around that discovery.
And this right here, this is the most important takeaway. Comparing Bitcoin to altcoins is like comparing an apple to fruit. It doesn't make sense. Bitcoin is one specific thing, a unique asset. Altcoin is just a giant bucket that holds thousands of totally different projects, each with its own technology, its own team, and its own goals. They are not all playing the same game.
Okay, so you might be thinking, this is an interesting story, but why does it really matter to me? Why is understanding this difference so important?
It matters because getting this fundamental difference, pioneer versus settlers, is the absolute first step to being able to navigate this new world. Once you get it, you're empowered to ask the right questions. What is this project actually trying to do? Is it trying to be digital gold, a super fast payment system, a new kind of internet, or something else entirely?
And this quote just hits the nail on the head. The real innovation here isn't just about the computer code. It's about the ambition, the vision behind the code. Every single one of these projects, whether it's Bitcoin or one of the thousands of altcoins, represents a totally different idea for what our digital future could look like.
And you know, that's probably the most exciting part of this whole thing. This digital frontier, it's still being built. Right now, as we speak, the pioneer lay the foundation, and now the settlers are building new things at a pace that is just mind-blowing. It really makes you wonder, what kind of world are they all building, and what incredible discoveries are still waiting just over that next hill? So the real question is, what comes next?